Top 7 Most Popular Pet Birds in the World. The popularity of pet birds can vary by region and personal preferences, but here are 7 of the most popular pet bird species that have gained recognition and affection from bird enthusiasts worldwide. 1. Budgerigar, Budgie. Budgerigars, often referred to as budgies, are small parakeets that are known for their playful and friendly nature. They are relatively easy to care for and can learn to mimic words and sounds. 2. Cockatiel. Cockatiels are another type of parrot known for their striking appearance, including their distinctive crest and vibrant plumage. They are affectionate, social birds and can be good companions. 3. African Grey Parrot. African Grey Parrots are highly intelligent and renowned for their exceptional talking ability. They are considered one of the most intelligent bird species and require mental stimulation. 4. Canary. Canaries are beloved for their melodious songs and vibrant coloration. They are relatively low-maintenance birds and can be kept singly or in pairs. 5. Lovebird. Lovebirds are known for their affectionate and loyal nature. They are small parrots that are often kept in pairs due to their strong social bonds. 6. Cockatoo. Cockatoos are larger parrots known for their friendly and outgoing personalities. They can be quite demanding in terms of attention and care but can make excellent companions. 7. Finch. Finches are small, sociable birds that are often kept in pairs or small groups. They are known for their lively chirping and are relatively low-maintenance pets. Please note that each bird species has specific care requirements, and potential bird owners should do thorough research to ensure they can meet the needs of their chosen pet bird. Additionally, it's essential to consider adopting birds from reputable sources or rescue organizations to promote ethical pet ownership and bird welfare. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.